Okay, so we're at the dog park here, and Mr. Fail could see the dogs running. Look. What happened, Fail? Fail. What happened? He's so excited. Fail. Fail. What happened? Hey. Hey, Fail. Are those your friends? Oh, my goodness. Okay. Fail, move. Hey. Hey. Stay. Okay. And he is off to... My God. I don't know. I can't zoom in. But he jets off like a crazy person. This dog park is huge. You have the big dogs over there. Then you have the playground. Everything's really nicely fenced in. And then you have Fail. There he is. Do you see him? Do you see him? Just chilling. All right, we're signing off. Oh, wait, let's see. Fail. There he goes. This is what he does. He just comes around and circles and runs some more. He cracks me up, that dog. Oh, I think he's gonna go poo. All right, bye.